Hello viewers, welcome. Here we are discussing about the geometrical meaning of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. We have already learned that for a linear polynomial of the form px equal to ax plus b, where degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial and the graph is a straight line. And for a straight line, it cuts the graph at a single point on the x-axis, and that point is minus b by a comma 0. So here minus b by a, which is the value of x, is the 0 of the polynomial. So conversely, if we draw a graph, suppose it is cuts x-axis at a comma 0. So we can say the required polynomial is equals to k into x minus a. Now we'll discuss about the quadratic polynomial. If we draw the polynomial x square, for y is equal to x square, we are taking some points minus 2, 4, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and we observe this is 0, 0 when x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, y is both the cases 1, and then y x is equal to 2 and minus 2, the value of y is 4 and 4. So when you join up, we are getting a U-shape curve. So any quadratic polynomial is in the form U-shape. So for any quadratic polynomial, px equal to x square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, because if a is 0, this will not be a quadratic, it becomes a linear. So the corresponding graph has one of these two shapes. So what are the way? Either open upward like this or open downward. So in this case, the graph may cut x-axis at two distinct points. In this point A, we consider as alpha comma 0, and this point B as beta comma 0. So here zeros are alpha and beta. These are the values of x, two zeros, and the required polynomial becomes some constant k, where k is a real number, into x minus alpha into x minus beta. So alpha and beta are the zeros, and we get the polynomial also. You can study the graph where it cuts its axis. Similarly, in the case of this a, if it is downwards alpha comma 0 and b beta comma 0, so both the case we are getting the required polynomial is k into. So first case k is positive, we are getting this type of graph. If k is negative, we will get open downward graph. Now here in case 2, here we are see the graph of x square plus bx plus c touches the x-axis at a single point. Say at alpha comma 0. So here is alpha comma 0 or this. Therefore, zeros of the polynomial 0 is alpha, and this quadratic equation can be written in the form k into x minus alpha whole square, that the coordinates of the point A is alpha comma 0. Whether it is a upward open touch single point or this one. And in case 3, the graph may be either completely above x-axis or completely below x-axis. That means it never cuts x-axis, and it indicates there's no 0. So, graphically we can say that a quadratic polynomial can have two zeros. In that case, the graph will cut x-axis at two distinct points. 1, 0 when it touches the graph at a single point to the x-axis, and no 0. It is above x-axis or it is below x-axis. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.